question.
Hi, my name's Lillian. And today we're making a pot mowing all the vegetables so red. Don't put tomatoes inside because I don't like tomatoes.
What should we put inside the pie?
Carrots, celery. Sometimes I don't want celery. And butter, and some bread, and some carrots, and some vegetables, and some peaches,
What else? What's growing in the garden?
and watermelon, and what else?
What is turning red in the garden?
Strawberries.
Yeah, and what other kind of berries are you going to put in there? They're blue. Yum. Blueberry strawberry vegetable pie?
Yep.
Ooh, that's going to taste yummy, huh?
And you say bye.
Okay, bye.
I say bye.
Oh, you do it.